So now, last but not the least, the S&P 500. So we call, let me take up those indicators first. So we call a short, it was last Friday, if I remember well, or Thursday. We called the short right here at 4,551, something like this. We went short. So I have banked several times this trade already. We had this small consolidation flag or whatever you call it. We break it. We came back yesterday. I call another short add here. We had called a small long to there because we had here the, let me put it on this chart, by the way, because it's important in my trading, and you have been hearing me speaking about that one in many occasions. It is the 2021 moving average on exponential moving average on a daily basis. This one is important. It always gives a good reaction. I always put it red, so I keep my habits like an old man. So you see how it has been precisely used. We have this kind of double bottom, and you see we are bouncing from it. Yesterday we bounced the first time from it. We came back, retested this broken flag or wedge. We went lower again, and now we are bouncing again. So I am still looking for at least this level here, 4,440, 4,430. That's what I'm looking for at least. Ideally, I would like to see 4,354. That's the short-term targets. Here, we should see a bounce for sure. We will find a lot of buyers in this area, a lot, due to this first lows we have here, where we had called a long at this time. We called a long here. But now we are there. We touch the one-to-one extension of this double ABCs we have here. We have one at 4,545 and the other one at 4,551. So that's what we have used. You see we had the 78.6, 76.4 in this area that provided some support, but the most important was this EMA. It's a very important EMA, but you see that we can bounce on it and then come back and just pierce it like butter, especially when we are at that level of overstretch. Again, here we saw it. So it's what I still expect. I think after this touch here, we have to go lower. The other option would be we would go back in this area and then see lower from there. But due to that price action, I would be more inclined now to see a continuation there today, later, probably after the 8:30 GMT, the famous 8:30 GMT time. And what we can see here would be, or we retest this first level there that we have been using in several occasions as a pullback area. You see it here. So we could see that this morning, perhaps at 8:30, and then come back there, or a little bit lower. But I'm still looking for this area to be touched either from this area, or we could come there, but that's not really what I'm really looking at now. I really think we should do something like this. Of course, it's only a scenario. We can do this one, or we can do that one and go a little bit higher and come back from there. But we should finally see this area. That's really what I'm looking at.